Disaster recovery management. Risk assessment. Risk assessment is the process of identifying potential risks to an organization, its potential impact, and the risk of it occurring. Risks include power outages, natural disasters, unauthorized access to data, data loss, and even loss of key personnel. This could cause a negative impact on revenue and reputation. Securing the risk. Once risks have been identified and prioritized, measures are put in place to protect against those risks. This includes proper cybersecurity and physical security measures, as well as backups. Recovery management. Detailed plans must be elaborated to prepare for disaster. This can include restoration of backups, replacement of hardware, reinstallation of software, replacement of key personnel. It is also very important to know how each recovery process will take. This should be as short as possible so as to avoid service disruption. Plans should also be tested before disasters actually occur. Prototyping. A prototype is a mock-up of a software solution in a primitive form, and it used to demonstrate how a system will look and work. This usually means that it is in the form of a user interface without any working features. Advantages. Problems can be identified early in the development process. Requirements can be clarified and refined based on prototypes. End users are more involved, valuable feedback collected. If it is evolutionary, users can get used to the system, reduces training required. Developers can get a clearer idea of what users want. Disadvantages. Requirements analysis may be rushed, meaning that prototypes are inaccurate. In rapid prototyping, the process may be too quick and it may contain significant design flaws. When users see the prototype, they may suddenly request a lot more features that are impractical to implement. When users see a working prototype, they assume that the project is close to completion when it is not the case. The initial costs of developing a prototype are high compared with traditional designs.